Most of us think of our teeth as dead white rocks. We imagine them sitting statically in our skulls, waiting for an invisible force to bully them around. But a tooth is a layered biological structure. The outer shell, enamel, is a dynamic mineral architecture constructed from microscopic rods that are constantly in motion. We often treat sugar like a physical drill, yet a piece of candy never actually touches the enamel structure. The damage begins long before a physical hole appears, starting with a shift in the local chemical environment. Enamel is locked in a continuous tug-of-war. At this exact moment, your teeth are leaking minerals into your mouth, while your body attempts to patch the gaps. Enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. So how does a soft piece of bread or a gummy bear manage to tear down a fortress that strong? To understand how the tooth fails, we have to stop looking at the final physical hole and start tracking the invisible rhythms of chemical breakdown. The mouth is an ecosystem. Bacteria live naturally on your tongue, your gums, your cheeks, and basically every damp surface available. When these bacteria stick to your teeth, they form a biofilm, a structured, sticky bacterial city built directly onto your tooth architecture. It requires fuel. That fuel comes from fermentable carbohydrates. The bacteria consume sugar from a lollipop or even starchy crackers broken down by the enzymes in your saliva. As the bacteria metabolize these carbohydrates, they produce waste. In this city, that waste is highly concentrated acid held directly against the tooth surface. This chart shows your enamel's chemical failure threshold. When acidity hits the danger zone around pH 5.5, the mineral lattice begins to destabilize. Hydrogen ions interfere with the balance, and the enamel surrenders its calcium and phosphate, leaking structure into the mouth. A cavity begins as a chemical retreat. Acid forces the enamel to dismantle its own structure, long before the first physical fracture appears. Your mouth fights back. Saliva acts as an alkaline buffer and a mineral delivery service. It actively brings free calcium and phosphate back to the tooth to plug the gaps. Every single day, your tooth cycles through this exact loop. Acid strips the minerals away, and saliva plugs them right back in. This graph reveals why habits matter. Eating one massive dessert causes a single pH plunge, followed by a long recovery. But continuous snacking creates a jagged series of dips below the 5.5 danger line. This denies saliva the time needed to execute its repair rhythm. The most vulnerable period for this entire cycle is sleep. Your saliva flow drastically drops at night. Without a clean surface, the bacterial city gets a long, unprotected shift to produce acid continuously. The rhythm of exposure determines the damage. Frequent snacking weaponizes time against your own biology. To defend against this, we use a mechanical weapon. A toothbrush physically shatters the organized architecture of the biofilm city. Toothpaste functions as a kinetic chemical delivery system, providing the support the mechanical brush needs to reinforce the tooth. In this microscopic view of enamel repair, fluoride particles lock into vacant gaps. This creates a denser geometric pattern called fluoroapatite. This chemical swap lowers the tooth's failure threshold, holding its shape perfectly under harsher acidic conditions closer to pH 4.5. Brushing with fluoride is a daily biological hack. It is a kinetic upgrade that allows your skull's armor to survive an otherwise fatal acidic environment. The dark crater a dentist fills represents the final stage of structural collapse. It marks the conclusion of a chemical argument your tooth has been losing for months. Enamel contains no living cells. Once the physical architecture completely caves in, biology cannot regrow it. The structure must be artificially replaced. Oral health is never a static achievement. It is an active, daily balance of power between destructive acid and mineral repair. Brushing disrupts a microscopic supply chain. Every stroke delivers mineral reinforcements, ensuring your biology survives another day.